Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to do our poem actually, the pronunciation of this word is poem, The Rebel. And who is the poet? The poet is D.J. Enright. The name of the poem is The Rebel and the poet is D.J. Enright. So first of all, let us understand what does rebel mean. Rebel means the one who disobeys, shows opposition and exhibits anger. मतलब हर चीज अपोज करनी है उसने. रिबेल जो है वो हमेशा हर चीज अपोज करता है. Right? Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friend? And we were talking that in your surroundings also there will be someone who always opposes whatever the other person says. है ना, कई बार आपके पेरेंट्स भी आपको कहते होंगे जो बात मैं कहती हूँ उसका उल्टा ही करना है तुमने. Most of the times it happens. So in this poem also we'll talk about a person who actually opposes everything. So when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. जब सबके बाल छोटे छोटे होते हैं, when there is fashion of short hair, तो rebel के hair कैसे होंगे? He'll have long hair. Then if there is a fashion to grow long hair, the rebel will go for short hair. Means he'll do the opposite what the society is doing. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. It means whenever there is a discussion going on in the class about some topic, everyone participates in that discussion, but the rebel would keep quiet. He will not participate in the discussion going on in the class. And when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. And when there is a class going on, something important is going on in the class, everybody is quietly listening to the things, then the rebel would create disturbance in the class. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. So when everyone is in uniform, properly dressed up to come to school, the rebel would wear wonderful clothes. Fantastic means good clothes, not the uniform, the other clothes. I mean, the clothes he wears at home, he will come in those clothes to the school. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. And when everyone wears good clothes, I mean, fantastic clothes, attractive clothes, the rebel would dress himself soberly. Soberly means simple looking. In a very simple style, he'll dress up. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses his preference for cats. So, whenever a rebel is in the company of dog lovers, when everyone talks about dogs, the rebel would show his preference for cats. He would talk about cats. And when in company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Puts in a good word for dogs means praises dogs. So, when everyone is talking about cats, the rebel would talk about dogs. Means in every situation he is opposite of others. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks the need of rain. So जब सब बात कर रहे हैं that they want sun, it should be sunny day, then what rebel says? No, it should be a rainy day. And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. And when everyone welcomes rain, whenever it is a rainy season, everyone welcomes rain, then the rebel feels sorry that why the sun is not present today, why there is no sun, why is it raining today. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Means whenever there is something where people need to go out and meet each other, then in that case, the rebel would prefer to stay home and read books or do his own work. And when everybody stays at home, the rebel prefers going out and meeting people. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So again an opposite situation, जब सब कह रहे हैं कि yes होना चाहिए ऐसे ही है, then rebel says no, it should not be. And when everybody says no, the rebel says yes. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. मतलब हम कहते हैं कि हाँ, मतलब हमारे बीच में कोई एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो रिबेल है, जो अपोज करता है, जो अपने तरीके से अपनी जिंदगी जीता है. ही इज नॉट कन्विंस्ड विद एनीवन्स आइडियाज, है ना, उसकी अपनी ओपिनियन है और वो पुट फॉरवर्ड करता है अपनी ओपिनियन को, वो सबके सामने अपनी ओपिनियन रखता है. हम कहते हैं कि yes, he is living the kind of life he wants to, but you may not find it very good to be one. But when it comes to you, one here is referring to rebel, but when it comes to you, you may not feel it very good to be a rebel. जब हम अपनी बात करते हैं तो हमें लगता है नहीं, ऐसा हम ऐसे नहीं बनेंगे. But when you see others being rebel, you feel good about them because they lead the life they want to. I hope this poem is clear to you.